Hey everyone, this is Jyoti. You can call me Jo, and guess who's with me?
I'm
It is-
Shruti.
Yes.
अरे मैं श्रुति यहाँ पे कैसे? Of course I'm here every day. Hello, hi Jo. What's up?
Hello. I have pulled her out from a very, this high-end shoot that she's on. She's on the sets of this.
It is
Starring-
not at all high end.
Star-
if you've seen if you've seen the season 1 of this series, which is called Hostel Days, or it's by TVF guys, and if you see it, you'll realize इसमें कुछ भी high fundu नहीं है. In fact, the best part about it is that it's about hostel life. So it's they kept looking at me and going, थोड़ा tone down कर सकते हैं? आप थोड़ी polished लग रही है. मैंने कहा मैं polished लग रही हूँ? मैं? So it was very strange. So yeah, but it's fun. It's super fun. I'm very excited to be.
We are excited to see you in it. So let us know when the season is out.
When it releases, I will.
Yes.
I'm in season 2, episode 1 only. I'll be there. Chota cha role hoga, but watch it when it comes out.
Watch.
But what are we reacting to right now? What have you pulled out for us?
So I pulled out a brand new Gana from Raftar and his EP Barish. He just released this on the same day that Brother V released Flex. We reacted to Flex. I will link that here. But now it's time to get to this one, and I'm very intrigued because it features Salim Merchant of Salim Suleiman, and it features Karma. And it's about it's an ode to the migrant workers who lost their lives due to the COVID lockdown. So
Oh wow.
yeah,
Wow. Okay.
it's got
This should be interesting. It'll be nice to watch.
a lot of heart behind this. I can
Yeah.
see already. So let's see what it's about. Ready?
I'm ready. Yes.
It's called
Hold
Tu
on
Phir Se
one
Aana.
sec.
Okay,
Cool.
chalo.
Yes. Ready.
One,
Count me down.
yeah, 1, 2, 3, play.
तू फिर से आना Chillin' off my land, chillin' off my land. भार मस्तकों पे ले चले जो पुस्तकों से दूर अपन पे जिस समीप है उस समीप है माँ भी मजदूर मन से नष्ट तन पे कष्ट रात खाने में है चूर संगलून ये गरीबी का कसूर और जो नूर ना बनेंगे बच्चे कूड़े में मिलेंगे न सूर से पले जो कैसे सूर में बनेंगे कुछ वो फूल जो खिलेंगे कुछ को स्कूल ना मिलेंगे कुछ के पाँव दो छिलेंगे चुप वो धूल में मिलेंगे जिसके पेट में अनाज ना वो किस धर्म का है भला एक भरम में जीता वो कि कब गरम हो एक दफा किस कर्म की मार है आहार इनका बस हवा ना मिलती माँ को एक दफा पिता सभा में गुमशुदा एक दफा सोचो देश बंद था वो चल पड़ी 8 मील पहले घर से गिर के धर पे मर पड़ी जीता नाम बालिका का जीती ना जो एक कड़ी वो दफन है या जल चुकी ये सोचता मैं हर घड़ी तू फिर से आना मुस्कान बन के मेरे घर में छोटा मेहमान बन के तू फिर से आना मुस्कान बन के और हंस के जीना मेरी जान बन के
पेट में आग लगी है पर पानी भी तो पास नहीं छोटे हैं कदम काफी जवानी भी तो पास नहीं वो थक चुके इतना के पटरी पे ही सो जाए पर सुलाने वाली माँ की कहानी भी तो पास नहीं जो घर पे है वो खुश है जो रोड पे वो पूछे कि घर की छत मिलेगी कब कहाँ पे जाके लूं चैन जब माँ छोड़ने आई थी तो एक दिन में पहुंचे थे अब वापस जाने में मुझको लग रहे हैं दिन क्यों छह अब सब धुंधला लग रहा नहीं बची है ताकत अब सो ही जाता हूँ अगले जन्म में लूंगा दावत बस माँ को बतला देना कि थोड़ा दूरी था मैं हवा में खुशबू ले ले मिलने तक ले ले राहत और जो कहते हैं कि मरने पर हम 1 लाख देंगे मानो 16 मौत आई और हो गए 16 लाख ऊपर शिकायत करूंगा अब वो हिसाब लेंगे जो घर तक छोड़ देते तो बच जाती 16 लाश
फिर से आना मुस्कान बनके मेरे घर में छोटा मेहमान बनके.
Right. That's a very powerful video.
Yes.
Very. And that final image. Okay, firstly, the performer who is, who's the girl who's performing in the video. Wow. I mean, we'll get to the lyrics and everything, but first, she was amazing. Her expressions, the way she brought out everything, her dance moves, the angst that was in it, and that last scene when she's running and then she kind of vanishes. So the whole video design was so superb. And oh my God.
Adrija Sinha, that's her name. It's in the credits. Adrija Sinha, I mean, you have...
And that last thing where her footsteps remain and when she's coming, oh my God.
Yeah.
That, those 3 seconds.
Such a powerful visual right there with her disappearing and then the footsteps, the blood, and then him just standing there and she's not...
Reaching. Yeah, her reaching home, but not really her. Like just the bloody footsteps.
This song and this video and everybody involved, this is such a labor of love. It's just so powerful. It's so powerful. Even if you don't speak Hindi and you're just watching and listening to the song, you will get teary. It's so powerful.
We usually always talk about that how everyone's so busy doing personal stuff that nobody's taking up social causes and actually talking about it, stuff that matters. Over here, stuff that matters has been spoken about. And over here, like something, they've used hip-hop, they've used music, they've used the good elements of everything to put across a message which really matters. That's what. So all the artists, coming together. Okay. Karma was, of course, amazing. He was amazing. He spoke, the way he spoke.
Everything, the entire sound design, the way it starts and then when that the percussion, I think, that kicks in, it just, I had goosebumps pretty much throughout the track. And then, Raftaar dropping some truth bombs and Karma and both their verses.
It was amazing.
One real line after another, and just, yeah. And Salim Merchant, his voice and the way the emotion there, just he brings in that. Ali Mola has that vibe. I mean, whenever he sings, he's also got that. Yeah, he's got that. He just hits the soul, and there's just so much emotion, and I don't know what else. I'm really at a loss for words because this song leaves you speechless, and it would be very it would be blasphemous for us to try and dissect it or do any of that sort. We can just talk about how it made us feel, and if the intention of the makers behind the song was to hit you where it hurts and to make you realize how many lives have been lost that could have been saved. Then it gets that message across.
They did somehow. It. Yeah, 100%. They did it.
I hope this song gets played across all stations and across all TV channels.
Sure
right?
I'm sure
especially across TV channels because it's such a powerful video. Every frame was so powerful and so well thought out. And, the different spotlights, the 4 spotlights, the movement, the different, and even that ending, those 5 seconds at the end were just, oh my God.
This is amazing.
Again, best use of your talent and your art and your desire to create as an artist. Because every time, and I think we've discussed this before, every time a creative person makes something, whether it's a painting or a song or a dance, choreography, anything, they put a bit of their soul into it, right? It's a bit of their soul in every creation of theirs, and this one just has so much of each of their souls in it. You can tell.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Fabulous. Yeah. Raftaar, if you're watching this, thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank you. Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah. And I think there is nothing more we can say. We're still in
On that
shock.
note,
Yeah, we're going to
yes.
watch it again. And thank you for joining us and watching this with us. Hope you enjoy the reaction. See you again
Thank you.
soon. Bye.
Bye.